Back in 2002, I saw the future of .NET when everybody was working towards Java. People laughed at me. But at the end, I have trained more than 10,000 participants and they have transformed their lives and participated in the growth of their organizations. Then in 2004, I saw the value of project management. Again, people consider me crazy, but I have trained more than 10,000 participants. Those are leading multi-million dollar projects in more than 30 countries. Now, I'm telling you, if you want a competitive advantage and fast forward your career growth, go for program management. It's a smart cut to become a CEO. Sometimes it's not only important what you are seeing, but also important from where you are seeing.